Jazz Music Library provides streaming audio for over 65,000 albums of jazz music. It's part of our Alexander Street collections. To see all of them, click Menu at the top left of the page, then My Collections. But to look just inside the Jazz Music Library, use the search box near the top where it says Search inside this collection. Use this if you're looking for a specific artist, album, or tune. For this example, let's search for Oscar Peterson's album Time After Time. So we'll just type in his name, Oscar Peterson, and the album title, Time After Time, and then click the search button. Usually the recording you need will be at or near the top of the results list. In this case, it's right at the top, so I'll click on it to open the album. Or at the right side of the page, you can choose different tracks, or click the Details tab at the top to see credits for the album. Some albums also include the liner notes, which you'll find in the Related Documents tab. Just click on the link to open a PDF. Now I'll exit out of the PDF to get back to the album page, and then I'll click Music Online, Jazz Music Library at the top left to get back to the database homepage. If you're not looking for something specific, use the links at the left side of this page to browse by performers, genres, and more. For example, I'll click on the Early Jazz and Dixieland genre. And then we can see all 597 recordings of that genre. If you create a free account and log in, you can add items to a list by clicking the plus button next to each item you want, either from the results page like this, or by opening an album page, and then click the plus button next to individual tracks. Then click View List at the top right of the page. From there, you can email, print, or save the item information, or make a playlist to save for yourself or share with others. For help, click the question mark icon at the top right of any page, or ask a librarian.